So, you want to know how to use an AI post generator on social media to create a "you're hiring" post? Watch this information and I'll show you how in just a few seconds. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, to make FlyPosts AI come alive, all you have to do is click Start a Post here on LinkedIn. Once you do that, and you come inside of here, this will now populate FlyPosts AI right inside of your status posts. Then there's also hiring. Maybe you'd like to write about you're hiring for a, and you fill in the blank. And with that in mind, you can just put in a role inside of here. And of course, if you have any specific benefits that the company offers, make sure you write about those things and have the AI bring that content right into the prompt right inside of here. And that's it. FlyPosts AI, the AI post generator that helps you write your thought leadership and be able to be found to engage with your target audience. Hey, why not download it today at flymsg.io? Not only will you get the AI tools like the LinkedIn commenting capability and FlyPosts, but you'll also get FlyMessage and all of its AI text expander capabilities to continue helping you save 1 hour a day.